Alright, problem 5, what we're trying to do with this equation is we're trying to find the center of this circle and what is the radius of this. Now, if you remember, the formula pretty much goes x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to your radius value squared. So right away you can see the radius. Well, what number squared gave you 1? Obviously it was 1, so the radius is 1 here. Okay, if that had been a 4, then you know the radius would have been a 2. If it had been a 9, you would have known it's a 3. So you just got to take the square root of whatever's right there to get what the radius is. So now the center, the x value is simply minus whatever h is. Well, here it says minus 9. So you and I know the center is at 9 comma something. Now, we know it's a 9. Whenever you look at this, it's always going to be the opposite of whatever you have there. Since you have a negative 9, just make it a positive 9. Because the formula says minus whatever you have. Since it's minus a 9, then we know it's a 9. But the easiest way that I've found for students is simply when you look at this, whatever value's there, since it's a negative 9, just write positive 9. Now what's with the y? Sometimes people get confused. Well, just notice that's simply a y minus a 0 squared, which is y squared. There's nothing with it, so it's a 0 there for the center. So this equation, which is the equation of a circle, the center is located at 9, 0 with a radius of 1.